Animals. I don't think so. Okay. What about cows? Cows. I said no! You are not allowed to go on those sites. Access denied. Not allowed. Blocks from the government.
John Dans Jr. said in his article, Censorship in America, that when you censor someone, you potentially censor their ability to freely express themselves. Censorship in America is the act of changing or banning any media considered to be immoral by the federal government. Within the First Amendment of the Constitution, unless the nature of the media is in direct violation of American legislation, its censorship in America will undergo judicial review. With laws like COPA, Child Online Protection Act, government restricts access by minors to any material considered harmful to them. Internet censorship isn't just a parental or governmental tool. There are also products on the consumer market that limit or block access to some sites, often referred to as censorware. For more information on censorship in America, log on to www.aclu.org. So you can watch videos like this.
Thanks for watching!